Hello, little math explorers. Today, we're going to learn about two important numbers, 10 and 20. We'll find out what comes before and after, use a 10 frame, look at a number line, and even draw something fun. Are you ready? Let's go. 10. The number 10 is a very special number. It's the first big number we reach when we count from 1 to 10. Let's explore it in different ways. What comes before and after? If we count up and down, we see that. Before 10 is 9. After 10 is 11. Let's count together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 frame representation. Now, let's fill a 10 frame with circles. Look, it's full. A full 10 frame means 10. Number line fun. Let's find 10 on a number line. Can you see it? 10 is right in the middle of 0 and 20. Drawing activity. Let's draw 10 balloons. Wow, that's a lot of balloons. 20. Now, let's move to a bigger number. 20. What comes before and after? Before 20 is 19. After 20 is 21. Let's count. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 10 frame representation. Since 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, we need 2 full 10 frames. Wow! 2 full 10 frames make 20. Number line fun. Where is 20 on the number line? There it is. 20 is double 10. Drawing activity. Let's draw 20 stars. Wow! So many stars. Great job, little learners. Now you know about 10 and 20. 10 is a special number that fills one 10 frame. 20 is double 10, and we need 2 10 frames. Number lines help us see what comes before and after. We can draw fun things to help us remember. Keep practicing and looking for 10s and 20s around you. See you next time.